Hey guys, hi. Very good evening to all of you and welcome to the session. This is your master teacher Harsh Priyam and I'm going to take your today's session on mathematics riddles. So this is quite interesting topic, isn't it? That riddles and that too in mathematics. Is it even possible? So I would say yes, that is possible, very much possible. So let's see how much possible it is and how much interesting it can be. Are you all ready? Get set, go. Chalo, let's start our today's session with mathematics riddles. Or we'll do a lot of masti here. We'll learn a lot of new things. You people will learn a lot of new things and I will surely learn. And chalo, let's see. Or apart from that, because this was important, so many studies going on, everything is going on in this lockdown. You guys are studying continuously in your home, not going outside. So these stress busters are important, isn't it? Chalo, let's see. So the first one is welcome. Okay, fine. Chalo, so welcome all of you to the session. शुरू करते हैं. In mathematics, we have some beautiful riddles, puzzles, and you will simply love them. So here goes the first one. First mathematics riddle. Now this first mathematics riddle says that what are the three whole numbers whose addition and multiplication gives the same result? So I can give you like some examples. So what it means, just to make you understand. So say for example, if there are three whole numbers. So three whole numbers could be like A, B, C. So which these three numbers would be what number? Which number? That if you add A plus B plus C, it will be actually equal to A into B into C. So that you have to tell me which three numbers are like that. By this time, many of you would have even got the answer. Let's say yes, we know this. Because everyone in fact would have imagined this at some point of time in your life. I to imagine when I was in like class 10th or 10th, 9th or 10th. I imagined, oh wow, these three numbers are beautiful numbers that if you will add them and if you multiply them, that they give you the same result. And I am pretty sure you would have got it right. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Well, 1, 2, 3. Okay, timer's up. Answer is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. If you add 1 plus 2 plus 3, that gives you 6. And if you multiply 1 into 2 into 3, that also gives you 6. Eureka, balle balle. Chalo, if you all have understood this one, let's move ahead. So this is the second one. The second one says, what can you put between 7 and 8 so that the result is greater than 7 and less than 8? Here you'll have to think. Because when I read this question, I was thinking like, okay, what it could be. So in the first place, I thought, okay, let's put a greater than sign or less than sign. So what I thought, I'll just tell you, which you should not think because that was the wrong answer. So you should not think, sir, let's do this. 7 is less than 8 and we put a less than sign. We are not asking for a less than sign, but okay, we are asking something unique, something जो तुमने या जो आम इंसान नहीं सोच सकता. Come on, everyone, start thinking on that. What do you think? What can you put between 7 and 8 that makes this entire number less than 7 and greater than 8? Sorry, ulta bol diya. So greater than 7 and less than 8. What do you think? Some students would have already got it right. So I'm pretty sure. Very simple, yaar, decimal. Isn't it? What needs to be put between this? You need to put a decimal. If you put a decimal, that will make it 7.8, mere pyare bachon. That will make it 7.8. So 7.8 is greater than 7 but less than 8. Isn't it? 7.8. Yo. Cool? Isn't that cool? Yeah, I means after looking this answer, when I was just going through the slides, I found it very interesting. Very, very interesting. 7.8. So that is the answer. Fine. Chalo, if you have got this answer 7.8, let's move ahead and let's see the next question. Okay. So here we go. What value do we get when we multiply all of the numbers on a telephone's number pad? So you would have seen a telephone in olden times or even in your mobile. So what all numbers are there? If you just start multiplying all of them, what you will get? You are getting 15 seconds. 5 seconds already gone. Come on. So times last 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Answer is 0. Okay, why 0? So I'm pretty sure this was not tough. This was not tough. So those who have given their response, that's great. Claps to them. And those who just missed it, you did a silly mistake. Because all knows that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here you would see a 0. Do you see that 0? And here there is a plus or star, and here there is a hash key. So if you multiply all these numbers, you don't have to even multiply because you know there is a 0. So 0 multiplied by any number, it makes us at 0. Isn't that great? So yeah, means this was not so tough, but still it was interesting. I also got the answer when I saw it without even looking at the answer. Okay, chalo, let's move on. Here's the next question. A sphere has 3, a circle has 2, and a point has 0. What is it? What do you think? What is it? Come on. I know you guys can give me right answer. Here we go. Dimensions. Yeah, yes, that should be the answer. So I got it. I had got it right. So when I saw this question right now, so I got the right answer, because sphere is a 3-dimensional figure, circle is a 2-dimensional figure, line is a 1-dimensional figure, and point is a 0-dimensional figure. So I too got it. Those who got it, very good, give me a high five. And those who did not get it, better luck next time, isn't it? Okay, fine. So this was pretty simple, not so tough. So are you guys enjoying in playing this riddle or not? Maza aa raha hai? You're feeling like wow, ki haan sir, chalo kuch to alag hai. Apart from studies, we have got something else to do. And because right now this digital era is the only solution which we can have. We can't have that physical interaction, talking to our friends and communicating with our family, means communicating. Okay, sometimes this happens with me, this mind bug problem. So communicating with your friends and far family members, this would have been possible when there was no lockdown. But right now, since there is lockdown, so this is the only method. Okay, chalo, let's get on to the next quiz, and I'm pretty sure you're going to like it. So here we go to the next one. It says, if 7 cat kills 7 rats in 7 minutes, how many would be needed to kill 100 rats in 50 minutes? So I know this is instead of mathematic riddles, although it is a riddle, but you would assume it more to be a like mathematics question. But this is an interesting one, believe me. So this you would have studied in class 6 if I am not wrong, because it is a simple unitary method, but still it is tough. So I want you guys to solve it. I will give you a time. If you want, I can give you a hint also, but after 1 minute I'll give you that hint. So come on everyone, think on that. 7 cat kills 7 rats in 7 minutes. So how many would be needed to kill 100 rats in 50 minutes? This is good one, man. This is good one. So cat. I'm interested in this gif. Cat moving, rat comes and rat, he just traps. इतने आसानी से काम मिलता है. Okay, chalo. Let's see if you guys can understand it or if you guys can solve it. So 7 cat kills 7 rats in 7 minutes. That's what the question says. Okay. Let's see. Let me just give you a hint. So basically the question is saying that 7 cats kill 7 rats. So if I talk about that 7 cat kills 7 rats. So this means 1 cat is killing 1 rat. I hope this is pretty simple unitary method. 7 cats are killing 7 rats. So 1 cat will be killing 1 rat. That is the general common sense. Fine. In 7 minutes. Okay. So fine. So it looks like that the time taken by cat to catch a mice is 7 minutes, because 7 cat kills 7 rats in 7 minutes. So that time factor has nothing to do with this statement. So 7 minutes means it looks like that 1 cat takes 7 minutes to catch 1 rat. Okay, fine. So kill 100 rats. 100 rats in 50 minutes. Okay. So if 1 cat is killing 1 rat and this entire thing is taking 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So you just tell me that in 7 minutes 1 rat is being killed. in 7 minutes, one rat is being killed. So if 100 rat has to be killed, if 100 needs to be killed, so do you think that 100 rat, the time taken will be 7 into 100 minutes? Are you understanding that? Are you understanding that? That one rat is being killed in 7 minutes. So 100 rat will be killed in 700 minutes. Pretty simple. Nothing big to worry. Okay. Now the question says that 700 minutes you can take. But in 700 minutes, okay, one cat will be able to kill them. Now, because one cat takes 7 minutes to kill one rat. But okay, I don't have a problem with the cat number. I can increase the number of cats. But I can't give you this much time. Okay, so the question says actually that you have to do this much this much work, 700-minute work in just 50 minutes. So obviously you will have to increase the input. Input means cat, isn't it? That is the machinery, you can say. So you'll have to increase the machine. So you'll have to increase the number of cats. So 700 minutes work in 50 minutes, isn't it? So what you will do, 700 minutes. So this much work is being done by one cat. So one cat can actually kill 100 rat, only one cat, but she will actually take 700 minutes. So if I want this in 50 minutes, I will divide it with 50. I will divide it with 50. So if I divide it with 50, 50 will cancel it in, if I am not wrong, it should cancel it in 14. So you will need 14 cats to actually kill 100 mice, 100 rats in 50 minutes. If you don't want to spend 14 cats, or if you don't want to put 14 cats to work, then you'll have to wait for 700 minutes. Okay, fine. So I'm pretty sure you would have enjoyed it, because I too enjoyed it a lot. Although this question is very awesome question. I have not solved this exact same question, but I have solved some similar type of question. That's why I was able to apply that brain. I'm pretty sure many of you might be thinking, sir, how do we get to know? So it will be just practice. But I'm pretty sure you would have enjoyed it. Okay, chalo. If you all enjoyed it and if you all got this, let's move on to the next. So the solution is also pretty simple, the same way. 700 minutes, so 700 by 50, that is 14 cats. Cool. So 14 cats is the answer. Yo, eureka, balle balle. Chalo, let's move on. Here's the next question, guys. The next question says, in a race, let's read it. In a race, the man who came 16 places in front of the last man. The man who came 16 places in front of the last man finished in front of the last man finished 3 places ahead of the man who came 7th. How many contestants were there? You'll have to actually think over this. Chalo, think over this. I am giving you time and slowly try to make it. By the way, till that time, what should I do? Shall I give you some hint? Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Let me also read it double times, triple times. Everyone read it. So the question is saying the man who came 16 places in front of the last man finished. In front of the last man finished 3 places ahead of the man who came 7th. So first of all, you have to catch the last statement. That the man who came 7th. So you have got first position here. You have got first. So you have got here first position. Now from first position, 7th position. The man who came 7th. So now read it. So the last man finished 3 places ahead of the man who came 7th. So the last man, the person who is being referred here, the last man finished 3 places ahead of the man who came 7th. 3 places ahead. 3 places ahead means 4th. Isn't it? 3 places ahead means 4th. Okay. So the question is saying that the man who came 16 places in front of the last man. The man who came 16 places in front of the last man who came. Last man means this one. So isse from here you have to find the 16th place. So 16th place is, I guess, pretty simple. 20. Isn't it? 20th place. Looks like 2020. Kya kehte ho? What do you think? Do you think that a number of contestants will be 20? What do you think? I don't know. I really don't know. So you'll have to actually see. I'm not very good at riddles and puzzles. I'm good at mathematics. That I can do. Okay. How many contestants were there? Looks like set 20. I don't know. I am also playing along with you. So it's starting questions very easy. But now I'll also have to play. So let's see. Let's see. I don't know. Oh wow. I did it right, man. I did it right. So the theory which we applied, or the common sense which we applied, it actually worked, isn't it? So it does not look like that this is a real tough riddle which you have to keep on applying and applying your brain and you don't get the answer. Here we got the answer by simple maths. I hope you understood. In case if you did not understand, I can tell you once more. So what I said you have to go with the last line. So what do you have to do? The man who came 7th. So there will be first position and there will be a 7th position. Now read the before statement. Finish 3 places ahead of the man who came 7th. So the last man, which is being referred here, last man, is basically the one who finished 3 places ahead of this 7th person. 3 places ahead means here 4th place. 4 is 3 ahead of 7. Now from this last man, the man who came 16 places in front of the last man. 16 places. So from here, the person will be coming 16 places behind. So after 4, 16 if you add, you will get 20th place. So this is your 20th place. Yo. So how many contestants? Total 1 to 20. Cool? You got it? Chalo, let's move on. If you all got it. Here we go to the next one. Oh wow, that was all for this session, yaar. Okay, I was also expecting a lot of more riddles and quizzes. But anyways, I will keep on entertaining or motivating you guys, stress buster kind of thing, because I completely understand that during this lockdown, it is actually a bit tough for all of us to be completely focused and concentrated on our work, because right now the entire body rhythm, the blood circulation which used to be there earlier has now been dismantled, tempered, you can say. So I completely understand. In fact, sometimes I also face the same problem and I keep on doing something like attending some webinars, some seminars, or trying to go out for a walk, or many things. So let's not get into that. So I would be doing that, guys. I will be trying to come up with these type of motivational videos for all of you, and these type of mathematical riddles, stress busters, and apart from that, if there could be anything else apart from this, I would try to do that as well. Okay, so with this, it's time to say goodbye to all of you. See you all guys in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care and love you. Bye bye.